Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, so you don't hit version or sign in roadblocks. Make sure you're on the same Bedrock version as the server, connected to stable Wi-Fi, and signed into Xbox Live if the server requires it. Once done, open Minecraft Pocket Edition, tap Play, then Worlds, and choose Add Server. Enter a clear server name so you recognize it later. That helps when you test multiple servers or switch between friends' hosts. You now input the essential connection details: the server name, the IP address, and the port number. Leave port at 19,132 unless the host gave another. Make sure multiplayer is enabled in the server entry. If the world needs add-ons or experimental features, enable those too, but only if the host supports them. After saving, look at the ping or latency indicator. If ping is high, try a different network, or ask the host. You finish by tapping the saved server and joining. Accept any resource pack prompts if you trust the host. If connection fails, first confirm you're signed into Xbox Live, then check NAT type, and that the host has forwarded port 19,132 UDP or opened it on their firewall. Make sure the host has your Xbox gamertag whitelisted if required. If problems persist, restart your client and ask the host to restart the server. This resolves most transient networking glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.